How to make a second YouTube channel with the same email. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make a second YouTube channel with the same email. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you just need to head over to your browser. By the way, this applies on both Android, iOS, and also computer. So what you need to do is just a browser to make this work. So from there, just head over to any browser and head over to youtube.com and make sure that you're on the desktop site if you're on your phone. So once you make sure that you're on your desktop site, just click on this profile icon right here, and from in there you can see the option for settings. So click on settings right there, and from in there you can see your account settings. So from there you can see your YouTube channel, and this is your channel right here. So in here you can see this add or manage your channels. So just click on that, and then this will proceed to another window right here. And as you can see, I only have one channel, but I can also create another one by clicking this create a channel. So let's click on that, and from in there you can add the channel names. For example, I want to name it daily videos or daily vids. Then just click on this right here on the check mark, and then click on create, and from in there it will create your channel. So let's just wait for it to load. As you can see, it is now loading. So as you can see, the channel doesn't exist yet because you need to create this first by actually heading over to the in here on the YouTube right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make a second YouTube channel with the same email. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.